Hello everyone, friends on the channel. Today I'll show you what to do if WhatsApp photos aren't appearing in your Android phone gallery. For this, we need to go to Settings. Yes, tap on your account here. Click on Storage and Information. Here, click on When Media downloads automatically. Click, and as you can see, you need to check the photo and video box here and press the OK button. After that, you can choose whether to download when connected to mobile data, which will use your data plan. There, and when connected to Wi-Fi to download everything. After that, you'll be able to find them in your gallery. There's also storage management here, and that's where storage management will be. There, and all your downloaded photos will be here.